Hey guys, welcome. Take two. How's my old man eyebrows? Are they looking good there? Like those? Check these guys out. Caterpillars. Huh? Jealous? Yeah, thought so. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to BS Adventures. This is Brian. This is part 2 of the van build series, the budget van build. We're converting a 2003 Chevy Express box van into a motorhome. Today we're just kind of getting into getting the van home safe, some roadside attractions I found along the way, and just a good wash of the van. So stay tuned, check it out. Let me know if you like it, and hope you guys are having a great day. All right, so drove the van. Can't talk. Drove the van back from Florida yesterday. Drove good. It needs, this and that, but I pulled over to take a leak on this side road, middle of nowhere. I think I was in Georgia, maybe South Carolina. I don't even know. And I found this sweet, collapsed barn, and so I grabbed some of this because I like this stuff. Here's my idea. Now I know you're looking at this and going, what the hell are you gonna do with that piece of shit? But now I have a wall panel, decorative, and I like the beat to shit look. It reminds me of like a old mining shed in the desert, out west. So you can see there's several pieces. So just do more of the same, squish it, flatten it. It's got character. So, it's probably more than I need, but I'll just junk whatever I don't need. This one's cool. I've never seen this. This is like corrugated tin, but it's all perforated. Yeah, see? Didn't cost nothing. Budget build. Yeah, that's about. I wanted to have something to represent Florida, and so I bought this piece of art from a roadside stand. Look at it, it's driftwood, and they carved a fish. Yeah, I'm getting way ahead of myself here, but this mounted up, something like that. I think that'll look pretty sick. Just ideas. I'm a long ways away from that, but I get a vision. My head starts running. All right, so I got this thing home yesterday, and I want to clean it. It is filthy. So I don't think this truck's been washed in a while, and I think it lived under a tree. She's kind of dirty. Just give her a quick little wash, nothing crazy. Just get some of the filth off it and see what it looks like. Got my wash bucket with all my stuff. Oh. Anybody need a XD compatible free hub, 11 speed, something for a bike I don't have anymore? You pay the postage, I'll give that thing to you. Don't ask me what it fits, because I don't remember. Oh, that's nice. That's good enough. Good enough for this POS. Butte. Yeah, she is. Okay. Open the soap. Pour the soap. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, let's see. Oh, she looks better already. This isn't going to be a super detail how to wash your car video. I feel like you guys probably know how to do that. When something's dirty like that, I just find it oddly satisfying to get shit clean. I like things clean. I like buying junk and making it look not like junk. I would consider myself a professional turd polisher. It's kind of my specialty. Old junk into nice junk. God, this thing is dirty. I'm gonna wash that. It's dirty. This is just kind of an initial get the slime off it. I think it might have spent a lot of time under trees. Oh, that's better. I'm gonna keep doing that. Grody. So yeah, let me knock this out. It might be dark, I might have to show you tomorrow, but I'm excited for this project. I think it's gonna be fun, guys. Budget build. I'm gonna try and scavenge as much as I can. Free stuff, used stuff, cheap stuff. Very simple. Sorry about the wind. And try and make it look cool and function well, and be nice, and have something I can utilize to live in. I'm homesteading a place out in the Southwest here in the next year or so, and I want something to live in while I work on that. And this is the first step in that process: acquiring a van, cleaning a van, building a van, driving a van, and then start working on some property. It's exciting stuff. Okay, today is tomorrow, so next morning, got the van kind of, just basically clean. It's not detailed or anything, but just get the main grime off. I saw an ad on Marketplace. For what? An ad for what? You have to check in next time, guys, for part 3 of the budget van build on BS Adventure channel here with Brian. That's me. So see you next time, guys. Until then, a hooey ho.